welcome to Delightful and Delicious. My name is Stephanie and I am so glad that you are here. Today we're going to be making baked ziti. Super easy dish, but of course we're going to give it maximum flavor. I've already got my oven preheating to 350 degrees. I've got some water boiling for our pasta. Let's go ahead and get into this. Cook your ziti pasta in some lightly salted boiling water. Drain the pasta and then add it back to the pot. Next, you want to crumble and brown some Italian turkey sausage. Once your sausage is done cooking, add it to your drained pasta. In the same pan, saute some onions until they're translucent. Once your onions are done, add your garlic and cook for an additional minute. When your veggies are done, add those to your pasta and sausage. In a separate bowl, add ricotta cheese, fresh chopped parsley, Italian seasoning, chili pepper flakes, salt, and pepper, shredded mozzarella cheese, and grated romano cheese. Mix together well. Taste for seasoning, and when you're satisfied, add in 1 egg. Mix everything together to make sure it's well combined. Add your cheese mixture to your pasta and sausage. And now let's get that all mixed up. Now it's time to add in your pasta sauce. And mix well. Once you have everything mixed, put it in your baking dish and then top it with fresh mozzarella. Loosely cover this with foil and then pop it into the oven for 20 minutes. Okay guys, after 20 minutes, take your ziti out of the oven and take the foil off. And see, that's why I wanted you to lightly put the foil on, because you don't want it to stick to your cheese. Then we're just going to pop this back into the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese is melted. And here we are, the finished results, our easy breezy baked ziti. Now to get this nice brown color that I have on top of the cheese, I put mine under the broiler for about a minute. You absolutely don't have to do that. That step is completely optional. And then I like to take some basil that I don't even bother to chop. I just tear it up and put that over my ziti. And now let's go ahead and dig into this and get a taste. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. Oh baby. This is cheesy goodness. This is so good. Wait a minute, let me just get one more taste. Y'all, this is a winner. It was super easy to do. Maximum flavor. You guys make sure you try this. Be sure that before you go, you are subscribed. Thumbs up this video, comment, and make sure that you share it. Share it is caring. All of the ingredients are going to be listed down low in the description box. All of the complete instructions are going to be on our website at delightfulanddelicious.com. I'll also leave a link to that down below. And remember, the next time you're in the kitchen, you're keeping it delightful and delicious. See you next time, guys.